There is arising out of use of IT, unauthorized access, unauthorized changes, failure to make update in IT, inappropriate manual interventions, a loss of data, and loss of corruptions. Risk of system down, system கீழே விழுந்துருது. System integration, so system compatibility. Sometimes we may start for something and system may not work that way. We read it, just we read it. Unauthorized access to data that may result in destruction of data, improper changes to data include recording of unauthorized and non-existing transactions, inaccurate data. So recording of unauthorized transactions. Someone is unauthorized, you make that like non-existing transaction. There is no transaction making fake bogus transaction. Inaccurate recording of transaction. Data what is entered is not accurate for 100, make 1000 for making 10. Particular changes may be arise in multiple user access common database. So if there is no control is given for multiple users acting the database, this may causes is that such problem may arise. The possibility of IT personnel gaining access privilege beyond the necessary to perform their assigned duty, thereby break down segments of duty, unauthorized changes of data into master file. So in the master file, they are given preferential access. Who need to get access? Who don't get access? What can be shown to person? That is preferential access given to person. Unauthorized changes. So not every person is provide authority or authorization to create or changes in master data. Failure to make necessary update IT applications or other aspects of IT environment. So not every person in the source system are authorized to make updates. Inappropriate manual intervention. Sometimes data will be manually interpreted. Unauthorized, inappropriate manual intervention is to be broken in the start. So data loss or data corruption is a major risk arise from the IT and appropriate security controls. Protocol not followed and may lead to loss of sensitive data. If the password is not changed every month and the password is used, same password is used for all the persons, same user ID, some kind of problems may create um, help create opportunity for the hackers to hack on the system. A hacker might encrypt your system or enable illegal breaking into system that help them to do something in your system. Risk of fraud can arise if a users alter the information and there is a case of physical security breach or theft in sensitive data. If there is a problem in sensitive data, that may cause there's a system downtime which is caused by hardware failures. Sometimes when you run the system for every 24 into 7, sometimes the hardware may get fail for due to faulty configurations, cyber attacks, and power outages. The power may give fluctuation that may cause power outages. Cyber attack may cause this means IT system should not be operational, will be unavailable offline, which may hamper the business. So if there is no backup for that kind of there is no backup for such situation, what will happen? This will create a problem. What the problem is cyber attacks or sometimes power fluctuations or kind of a faulty configuration. Business may be off because of the systems. Since the companies may use more than one IT system to support their business system integration and system compatibility comes in one place. However, the system integration and compatibility have some risks. In case of system failure, one system may also lead to widespread failure to integrate system. So there is a failure in one system that may integrate a problem that will cause us all systems in the environmental effect because of the same one system failure. Or if the integrated system is two system, it's not appropriate, end user would be incorrect. Sometimes two systems are separately maintained and the data is not shared between them. The data matching is not been done properly. Then what happens? It may cause to inappropriate data. System compatibility means sharing compatible hardware, software, and operating system. One may Mac, one may Windows, one may Linux. It's not the way. Everyone should be in the same way. Compatibility risk arise between various versions of same software option. Example, Tally can be installed only in Windows, not in Apple Mac. That's a problem. If a patch or more upgraded, which may lead to bugs. So sometimes the patch need to be upgraded every month. If not, that may be a bug. That bug will be staying there, so that if you enter something will come out. So With advancement of using IT, the risk of regularly complaints increase. Any change in law, order, or guidance or agreement will impact our business. So, in relatedly cost, investment, etc., the FMGC sector, the food sector, it's subject to different regulatory requirement in the financial company. Our both business will need to manage their respective complaints. Many complaints was come for them. So, the FMGC food, FMGC, what is FMGC? Fast moving consumer goods, rolling works, goods, water, basic necessities, all the fast moving consumer goods. So these in this kind of IT sector, there should be complaints to be increased. Example, you're going to a supermarket, you're buying, then there will be given invoice is given for the purchase. Then after the purchase bill is given to the cash counter, payment is made. After payment, the payment acknowledgement, one bill is received. That will be used to that bill is used to take the goods from the godown. If you use it, so all these three system integrated. If you have a same purchase invoice, just one a seal is being stamped in these three things. A vulnerability has been increased, security threat has been increased. That a person, any person can get a purchase bill and create a fake bill and sealing it on power and get the bill and go on. That's a vulnerability. So now know how to identify the IT department dependencies and the impact of IT. Why it is important to identify IT dependencies? Identifying the documenting entity, it depends in consistent. Identifying and documenting the entities IT dependencies is consistent. If you want to see the next thing, good.